room for like a decent bounce, at least all the way up until like 487s.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Spark and Trade. Get into this pre-market morning show real quick. See what the hell the market's trying to do. Looks like we're in a pretty good range or a zone to bounce. I'm gonna move this 4-hour demand right here that I saw yesterday. It moved about a few points. 226. Yeah, almost 80-point range right here that we could snap back from. But the 4-hour is red. That's going to be our 4-hour demand line there, 17,267. Let's move the daily money zone. I'm pretty sure that thing came down a bit. Yep. So now it's down here somewhere. That's our daily money zone. So meaning we can bounce from here and continue to go back up. So history of what that zone can do, can cause. Probably stick around there for a little bit, or we can fall. If we do fall, I'm looking for a bounce at 267. If we break that, it's lights out. We got a big void here in balance in this entire candle, so we could see 16,000. That's crazy to me. Awesome. 4-hour money zone. We're basically inside the daily, right? So we have a bearish money zone on a 4-hour. Every time it touches up here, you're gonna have that kind of like resistance. So I would not take longs up here. Maybe we do break out and go crazy, but I'm gonna have to just miss that because the odds of rejecting this level is gonna come with these wicks, and I don't want to have to like get caught with that. So big bumper cloud zone up there. Watch out. All right, let's get down into the 1-hour real quick. 5 levels. So on the 1-hour, go into my daily levels. On the 1-hour, we have no demand down here. Okay, we have a resistance line way up here that we have yesterday. I'm gonna move that to the side here. So that level's around 17,429. All right, so if they get up there, we might catch a fade, and we have no demand, so I can't really move that anywhere unless I look at history. Do that, and yeah, it is like way down here. Got demand all the way down here. So that's the void I'm going to talk about. Like if we do start falling, we might just, catch a little pause there. But if we start falling, I'm jumping in with the shorts. Maybe. I want to. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Other than that, what else we got? Let's go to the 15-minute. Look at that fucking drop. So on the 15-minute, we have this demand here, 264. Sorry, I'm not even writing this thing down. 264, 264. 17,264 is the man on a 15-minute, and we do have supply way up here. So let's mark that level. At 473. All right, so that's our supply zone. This is our demand zone. Market is kind of making its way in some direction up here. Looks like we're getting a fade right there, right at the goddamn 100 EMA. So this thing is causing some hell. And if we go to a smaller time frame, you'll see that we have a supply line there. But yeah, there goes our levels. So we're looking at within this range right here, 473, 264, and we'll figure out what to do if the market hits those levels. More than likely, we'll go for a bounce here, or if they break that, we'll probably try to fade it. But I hate fading demand. Our hourly levels going to be 429 as supply. 429. And demand is at way down there. 17,101. picture of the 15-minute chart. And let's see what we get.
Nice little pullback there.
Yeah. We're at like standard deviation. D1 on fucking 15 minutes. See if we got volume in this market. No crazy volume yet. Looks like above 360 we could get a run up. Got a nice little demand there. See, that shit would have stopped me out. I'd have been pissed. Shorts are coming in hot, buddy.
See if they break that micro demand right here. It's right at the 200 MA, so it's kind of a tough spot.
So the 15-minute is at standard deviation 1. We're below the pivot on the 1 hour. No wonder why we're getting smoke up there. We're at S1 on the 2-minute.
Did you have a chance to glance at the SPY chart?
No, not yet. You posted it, or you want me just to look at it?
Oh, I can post it.
I got you. Look at it right now. What the fuck is that wick on SPY? Am I bugging?
You talking about the top wick?
Yeah, looks like it happened at the close.
Oh, you talking about that? Yeah, I did see that. I saw that yesterday, like as the bell rang.
Yeah, I like SPY. everything on this 15-minute look like they're gonna fade this bitch.
Yeah.
I like the longs if they could double bottom, basically 483. You're at kind of supply and they're above it. So this is either a breakout retest go, or this shit is going to basically come back down to that 43 level, 43, 42.
Wait, 43.
It's like 42.90 or something like that. 42.96 on a 15-minute.
Oh, you're looking at ES.
No, spot.
42.96.
My bad. 482 spot 96.
Oh, yeah. That's what. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking too. Yeah, that's that 15-minute supply.
Right. Now the 1 hour looks amazing. We could be we got is that purple candles on a 1 hour? So I'll draw a trend line. If you want to go long, I'll draw a trend line at the top of that. And the minute it breaks that shit, because we're closer to demand than we are at supply on that 1 hour. And it's purple candles. So that means bears are getting weak. They're currently pulling back. This shit could just start ripping though as soon as the bell opens. But I would wait for them to break that downward pressure. You do have demand on a 2-minute, but you know that shit could get clapped.
Yeah, they have 5-minute demand, but yeah, no, you're right.
Okay. Yeah.
But still, though, like that 1 hour demand is kind of a trip down, though.
Exactly.
That's where the 15-minute demand is at as well.
Right. Yeah, so 482 in 90s or 80s, something like that. You might see more buying pressure step in there. But again, like the shorter time frame, that shit could go from right here. Because like you said, is above the 200 moving average on a 5-minute and a 2-minute. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Really doesn't have that much volume. Wait, how is the volume on SPY not applicable? What the fuck is that about? Do you see that on your end?
What do you mean applicable? I don't see that. No.
You see your today
because all that the only thing I'm seeing for the volume is like I'll see the sell and the buy pressure. That's about it.
Oh, that's all you have turned on?
That's all I have turned on. Yeah.
Got you. On my 1 hour, I have.
Are you talking about like the amount?
Yeah, like on the 1 hour, I have the average 30-day. Then what we're doing today. So the average 30-day on NQ is like 584,000. But today, so far, we've done 122.
Wait, stream it for me real quick. I'm gonna turn that shit off.
Yeah. Here, stream.
Oh yeah, I did turn that off.
Yeah, I only really have it on the 1 hour because you as you already know, this shit just starts flying on the smaller time frame, and I don't care about one candle. Kind of care about what's happening throughout that entire hour or the 15-minute before I bust a trade. But yeah, I just look at it to see what the fuck the dip, like if it has RVOL like strength today.
Oh word. Okay.
Yeah, like when Powell spoke yesterday, that shit went off the chart, bro.
Yeah, that shit was crazy, bro. That double top was insane.
They dumped this shit out of the market, bro. That was fucked up.
Yeah, that was crazy. I wish I took advantage of that. I mean, I got out of all my longs right there.
Yeah,
which was good. But I just couldn't think to take a few shorts.
I know it was tough.
Knowing that there could be a possible rejection at a double top right there. Just some crazy shit, man. Yeah, we'll see how today opens up. We have a manufacturing PMI at 9:45. So probably take a position after that.
I think LMD is calling.
Excuse me. Oh.
Man, I had an order to go long last night, right? Because I was gonna swing,
Yeah.
I was gonna swing this bitch back up to like the 100 EMA, and the market just started going, bro. It started like ripping without me, and I'm like, I'm not about to chase this shit because if I go to sleep and you decide to do a pullback, I'm gonna get railed. So after the market went, I got discouraged and I took my order out, bro. At 2 o'clock, they came right down to my order, bro, and then launched fucking 80. Let me see from
Oh
two.
my. Oh, they did. I see that. I see that.
Sick. I'm like, oh, I would have been knocked out, but I'd have woke up to some sick ass gains because I was gonna do that shit with an NQ. Cause
Yeah. I mean, bro, that's it. With all due respect, that's like it's like a gamble. You know what I mean?
of
Like,
course it is. I would have stopped
yeah,
out if they would have broke this green line on a 15 minute, but that was the
yeah,
play.
yes, yeah. Fortunately enough, like you have things that keep you in and out,
Yeah,
but yeah, that's crazy, bro. That's wild. It's always something like that, bro. Like I've been experiencing that a lot recently, especially now that I'm trying to do this new strategy. Like it's so easy to sell out or like not get in and out just because like you feel like it might go one way or the other, and then it ends up doing the move. So
yeah, exactly. Like just now today, I fucking had a early long, and I got out at the very top, but I set an alert, and I was like, I'm not watching this trade. I'm only getting out if one of these bells ring. Bro, I left for like 5 minutes. I turned on uh Call of Duty and I heard ding. Boy, I jumped jumped down the flight of stairs just to get the fuck out the trade. And thank God I did because
yeah,
it started dumping. Good like so I caught this bull run right here. Little micro one.
no, I see.
They
Oh yeah.
fighting in this area, bro.
Well, yeah, especially with the bell ringing next 10 minutes.
Yeah. I might turn off the stream and restream because I'm having like some weird stuff happening here. So let's see what happens if I do that.
Sounds good, bro.
All right, guys, I'm gonna restream in a second. Kind of want to do something.